How to fix cannot connect to App Store. Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix cannot connect to App Store. So let's begin. So the first thing that can cause this is unstable internet connection. So make sure that you're connected to the internet and your Wi-Fi is working. If not, you can also use your cellular or mobile data. After you do that, after you're sure that internet is not the issue, what you can do is head over to your settings, go to general, and go to your software update. Make sure that your software is up to date to its latest version. If you see an update like this available, tap on update now and then update your app. After you've done that, you can again, if not working, go scroll down under general, go to transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset and reset your network settings. After doing that, your problem should get fixed. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.